Okay, next is on just now we're talking about uncontrolled mitosis, so it leads to formation of tumor. Now, what happens if meiosis has got some problem? So, what do we mean by problem? Maybe there are an abnormality during the division. So this can cause genetic diseases such as Down syndrome. Okay, I'm sure you're familiar with Down syndrome, and you can see the photograph over here displaying certain characteristics. When you look at the picture of the person, the patient having Down syndrome, you can identify, you can tell by looking at the features. Okay, like slanted eyes, protruding tongue, okay, stunted growth. Okay, so this happens when the spindle fibers fail to function. Spindle fiber, remember the function? When it contracts, it will pull the chromosomes, okay, the sister chromatids to the opposite pole, right? So when spindle fiber does not function well, what happens is that pulling does not happen well. So the chromosomes fails to separate, and this condition is called non-disjunction. Chromosomes fail to separate, non-disjunction. So gametes will have an abnormal number of chromosomes. 22, either 22 or 24. Okay, you understand this? Because if it is normal, supposed to be 23, because 46 divided by 2, haploid is 23. But it failed to separate, so one will be having 22. The other one might be having more, 24. So if fertilization between a normal gamete is 23, plus an abnormal chromosome, which is 24. 23 plus 24 equals 47. So this zygote is which carry 47 chromosomes is abnormal. Okay, so look at this diagrammatic diagram, schematic diagram. So if a normal meiosis happens, so this is the one that you can see diploid is 46, meiosis, formation of gametes, so you get 23, 23. So fertilization happens, this is for normal individuals, but if the homologous chromosomes or the sister chromatids, why got O over here? Because we are talking about maybe it is during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. If it is anaphase 1, so that means it's the homologous chromosome fail to separate. If it is anaphase 2, that's the sister chromatids fail to separate. So the distribution of parent chromosomes during meiosis will be uneven. Okay, the chromosomes fail to separate. That condition is known as non-disjunction during anaphase. So one will get 24, okay, or 22. So if these two fertilize each other, 47, so we say 3 copies of chromosome 21. So this only the extra one will be here at chromosome number 21 will have 3 copies instead of 2. Okay, so that is this photograph shows the complete chromosome set of an individual with Down syndrome. Okay, if it is normal individual, all from 1 to 23 will be having 2 sets, 2 pairs, right? We'll be having the pairs only, but this one has got 3. So we also call it as trisomy 21. Right? So this condition, which is an extra chromosomes at 21st set, trisomy 21. So this condition is actually the condition for a Down syndrome patient. Okay, and among the syndromes, as I've mentioned earlier, mental retardation, okay, and also slightly protruding tongue. Sometimes you get to see that the tongue comes out a bit, okay, and the slanted eyes lah. This is the features that are common. Okay, so from one, this is the karyotype. So that means it is showing the chromosomes, the arrangement of chromosomes. Pair number 1 with the homologue. This one is with the homologue. Okay, with the homologue. So you get to see they are having the same structural characteristics. Okay, from the longest to arrange to the shortest. Okay, so all of us, if we are to check ourselves, if we are to arrange the chromosomes, we have this arrangement in our body cells. You'll get this karyotype. So what is this XX? Okay, this is the what do you call this already? The sex chromosomes. Yeah, this is the sex chromosomes. So XX or XY. XX for female, XY for male. Okay, what is this video about? You click to play the video, right? To watch, to get some information, and we have come to the summary of the chapter. So chapter 6 completed. So let's look at it again. Cell division. First we look at the terms, then we look at mitosis, we look at meiosis, and also the issues. Okay, so if something wrong to mitosis or something wrong to meiosis, what are the conditions? Okay, that's it for chapter 6.